So as you know, Riga Dev Day gathers a lot of professionals from Baltic States and beyond who are interested in topics like Java, Oracle development, Android and such. Most of the IT conference for developers are a mixture of inspiration, a show and an education.
We had for the first time opening in escape room, and we had a great performance.
We call it a conference, but really I think it's training, because you can come and see lots of short sessions to find out something new that you didn't know about, maybe explore new technology without having to spend a lot of time.
Most people learn well when they actually do practical things. And for them, I think conference can give them the idea what to do and what to try.
Main part is about experience sharing, and the most of experience sharing actually happens after the talks, when you just meet people, talk to them.
People are really passionate about what they do. You meet people that may or may not be in the same industry as you, but are facing the same problems, and you figure out quite interesting and innovative ways of solving similar problems.
So I like to learn about use cases by going to these conferences and talking to people and trying to understand what kind of performance issues they may have, or like what would be a good solution, kind of challenge myself. So I get most of my interactions through conferences.
Professional developers and professional architects and software engineers who are the senior level, they are not just writing code, they're actually involving and engaging the community of other programmers into their ideas, into their technologies. We all programmers who are really serious about our future, we have to invest into the community. So give them something and they will come to you and be with you, become your community.
I always prefer to try to share with people why they should be doing something. So that's the basically introduction that I give to DevOps, why you should be using some of the key points that are valuable for you to adopt a DevOps approach.
I feel it's a very cozy conference and has a very, I think, good balance between super deep technical, low-level sessions. There are always something to choose from. At the same time, it's not like there are like 10 tracks in parallel where you want to attend like 7 of them and you end up not going anywhere because you just kind of decide.
We're very happy to support the biggest conference on software development in the Baltics. For us, it's a chance to meet like-minded developers and find out about the newest in the technology landscape. We believe that software development is one of the key drivers and parts of the Latvian economy, and therefore it's important that conferences like these are being made, so we support them.
Oracle decided to sponsor this event and be the partner of this event because we knew from the last year that this conference gathered really a good audience and diversified audience. For us, this is a perfect chance to meet different people, talk to them and to introduce them Oracle different products and services.
I am from Oracle User Group Norway, and I'm also having a big conference every year. So I'm here just to gain experience, to see how 3 user groups can collaborate together. I think that was it's a new experience for me, because we don't do that. We only use Oracle partners.
Yeah, the reaction was pretty good. I had some really good questions. Had some people come in and ask me like very interesting things about things you can do and things you can't do, what are the limitations and everything. So it was very good. I was very happy with this.
Attendees don't usually meet each other and don't usually meet those kind of speakers. So this is a great opportunity for them to talk and to know and understand new stuff that they haven't touched before. So this, I think, is the best thing, bringing everyone together in one place and we'll see what is going on and what will happen.
For example, yesterday I met guys who I haven't seen for 5-6 years. They were my previous colleagues from previous work, so it's amazing to meet them.
So that's my 4th or 5th time in Riga, and I like it a lot. The city is very beautiful. If you have some time to spare, do some sightseeing. Very beautiful old town.
In any place you have the opportunity to come to a conference like Riga Dev Days, you should, because it will change the way that you will pursue your career.
So we are not going to grow significantly less next year because of venue limitations and difficulty of organization. Instead, we will focus on quality. Next year we'll also try to bring additional tracks and topics to involve other communities, for example .NET. So we are definitely going to have an event in 2018 and I invite you to join us.